The moment a lot of you have been waiting for, how to turn your yellow shower pan white. This is the old shower pan in question. Right here. We need to get this white. It doesn't look like it, but it's been cleaned. And to make it new again, we're going to use this Rust-Oleum topside marine paint. You can order it straight from Amazon. There's a lot of prep that goes into cleaning the shower pan before you can start painting. It's been scrubbed down with crud cutter, with a brush, with towels. It's been vacuumed. It's been sanded twice, and it's been cleaned again. And it still looks like this. This oil-based paint is sticky and can get a bit messy. I recommend wearing gloves. And if you spill any, make sure that you clean it up right away. For the application, I used a roller that I got from the dollar store so that I can toss it and throw it away. When painting, make sure your coats are even. This is the first coat. I let this one dry for 2.5 hours. And this is the second coat right after application. I let this one dry overnight. And this is day 2. It looks like it's all dry. It's really smooth. It's really shiny. And I absolutely love it. Love, love, love this product. And this is only 2 coats.